At Steve Moyer Subaru, your safety is our #1 priority. We have recently changed our service process to ensure your safety. Due to government requirements, all customers must now wear protective face masks when picking up or dropping off a vehicle, and we promise to wear our masks for your safety too. Just call us to schedule an appointment, and when you arrive, drop your keys and documents in the drop box. We also provide you with a clean and disinfected service loaner vehicle. Our dedicated service advisors will disinfect and protect all the touch points in your vehicle, including, but not limited to, the door handles, steering wheel, shifter, and seat. We will perform the requested service and contact you when your vehicle is ready to be picked up. We take payment over the phone, and you can come to get your car. It's that easy. Before you arrive, we make sure to remove any protective plastics, and we disinfect your vehicle again. We do all this because your safety is our #1 priority. At Steve Moyer Subaru, the safe place to buy and service.